Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to control your GoPro Max 2 with your phone. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and control your GoPro Max 2. Maybe you're trying to take a selfie, maybe you're trying to take a selfie video. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, go ahead and turn on your GoPro Max 2 and then click on GoPro in the bottom right hand corner, and it should automatically connect as long as you've set up your GoPro Max 2 correctly when you first initially set it up. Now, once you go ahead and connect it, you should see on the bottom hand side that you could actually go ahead and switch between video mode, time lapse mode. You could even turn your GoPro on or off. So if you go ahead and open up the lens case of your GoPro, you can see that right now it's actually recording. You can enable a preview. So with that preview, you can actually start seeing what your GoPro sees. And if you go back, you can take a photo as well. So if you enable the preview with the photo, you can see that you can now take a photo. You could actually switch it to be a selfie mode. So let me go ahead and open up the back lens. So with that back lens, you can see that I'm now able to go ahead and take a photo as a selfie. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and control your GoPro Max 2 with your phone. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.